Hey guys, you might wonder what does it mean to TIG or MIG weld? My name is Mohammed and today we'll discuss the differences between each process and how they are applied. TIG and MIG are both great processes when it comes to welding in general, but there are times where it's preferable to use one over another. We're going to be talking about the TIG welding first. So TIG welding can be used and applied to different industries such as aerospace, medical, and automotive. The welding wire, also known as a filler rod, is fed separately, and as you can see here, it will be consumed during the welding process. TIG welding is a very clean process and requires the highest skilled welders to perform the welding. That is the reason that TIG welding is used for very critical applications such as in the aerospace industry. It produces a high quality weld to assure successful joints and great appearance. Alright, now we're going to move on to the MIG welding. So the MIG welding process is different than the TIG welding, and it has different application in material joining. MIG welding can be used and applied for heavy duty parts. The filler wire is continuously fed through the welding gun. In this case, the electrode is melted and deposited into the base material to create the weld joint. The shielding gas is created from the welding gun as to help protect the welding from contamination. MIG welding uses inert gas as well as using argon, helium, and some would use carbon dioxide, as it depends on the type of application and the material you're using. So if you are a new or existing company that are looking for welding services such as TIG, MIG, seam, or spot welding, please visit our website at lynnwelding.com. Thanks for watching and keep your welding strong.